All right, everybody, welcome back to another Fun Friday Robot Challenge. Today, we are challenging this one-handed robot in solving a Rubik's Cube. As you can see, I think I'm gonna need some help, so come along with me. We're gonna go grab some friends. Let's do it. Let's give a big round of applause to Derek, our Rubik's Cube King. I knew if I ran around to enough people, I would find someone here at Ultratech to help me out. So everyone who likes this post is giving a huge round of applause to Derek for helping us win our Fun Friday Robot Challenge. And as always, leave in the comments below if you guys see any robots that you want me to challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week.